If YouTube TV gets stuck on the loading screen, it can be frustrating. This issue is usually caused by network problems, app glitches, or outdated software. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to stable Wi-Fi. Restart your router if needed, and avoid mobile hotspots unless necessary. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close the app on your smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or mobile device, then reopen it. This often resolves temporary loading glitches. Step 3. Restart your device. Power off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. This refreshes system memory and clears minor software conflicts. Step 4. Clear the app cache. Android TV/Fire Stick. Settings, Apps, YouTube TV, Clear Cache. Roku. Use the hidden cache reset. Home 5 times, up 1 time, rewind 2 times, fast forward 2 times. Apple TV/iPhone. Delete and reinstall the app. Step 5. Update your YouTube TV app and device software. Outdated versions often cause loading issues. Step 6. Disable any VPN or proxy. These can prevent the app from connecting to YouTube TV servers. After these steps, YouTube TV should load normally, showing your channels and DVR content. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.